In this video, I'm going to show you how Claude AI SEO is writing my blog articles, and I'm going to show you completely from we trying the Claude to our format, our writing style, and then we improvise to write SEO blog articles, and then we give a custom Claude AI prompt which we're gonna write AI SEO blog articles which are SEO optimized. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to find if it is humanized and what to do and what not to do. So let's begin with that. So here I am inside my Claude AI. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to click on the choose style. Now here you want to go to the you have a lot of presets right here. You can also go with explanatory, which is give you 50% humanized but not always accurate. And then what you want to do is you can also go to the create and edit styles, and here you will have all the custom created prompts presets saved as a preset. So what you want to do is click on custom create style, and then you have two options. One is add writing, upload a device, upload a text file, and then second one is a paste text content. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on paste text content, and here it will ask paste at least a few paragraphs of example writing include from multiple various sources you would like for Claude to analyze and match the style. Now what you want to do is go to the blog articles which you have written in the past by yourself, okay, not AI or not other person, which you have written in your style. Now I'm gonna paste some of my writing style right here. One more thing what you can do is also you can go to the Google and search in your keywords. Example, I have searched how to do keyword research for SEO, see what is ranking at the top other than major sites which has DR more than 50. Now what I'm going to do is the best way to find is people also ask and see what the articles are ranking. So MailChimp is obviously it's a big DR site. I don't want to choose. And then you have demandjump.com. So I think this is a great website to take as an inspiration. And then I'm gonna see a couple more WebFX. This is a high DR site. So I'm gonna go here and choose this site for creating a custom prompt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the top and select everything and select some of the paragraphs, okay, and then copy this, put it inside the paste, and at the end you type in the above paragraphs or for the blog title how to do keyword research for SEO, and then you click on create style. Now it will start analyzing your writing style and give you a custom instructions which you can give to any other AI tools to write it in your style. Now this may not be accurate every time, but yeah. Now what you can do is you can click on it and type it your name for adding as a preset. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on RJ SEO blog articles. Okay, so this is because I have given the paragraphs about SEO, so it would be better if I want to write any SEO blog articles, blog articles on SEO topic, then I'm going to use this preset. Okay, now you can also create as many custom presets as possible with the by subscribing to Claude Premium. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to preview with an example. You can also preview educational content, but I'm going to click on use the style. Okay, now here I'm going to go here and type in write a blog article 500 words on the title importance of backlinks. Now I'm going to hit enter and see what shows up. Now Claude has written everything, but I can exactly see there are some AI influence written here. Okay, so don't worry, we're gonna put it inside the AI Detector Pro and see how much influence it has, okay, when it comes to writing a blog article using our style. Okay, now I can click on detect AI and it's gonna show me 100% AI generated. Of course it is, because we haven't added the custom prompt. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to give additional prompt right here. What I can say is use conversational. So this is an additional prompt which you want to give at the end to humanize some of the AI content. Okay, now this is the prompt: use conversational flow of words like you're speaking to someone, write in first person perspective, write like you're explaining it to a child or 15 years old, Everything need to be simple and don't use complex words since I don't have the dictionary. Now this, what it does is it's going to try to, remove the AI influence, not remove the AI influence, but it's going to go ahead and write it in a simpler form. By writing in a simpler form, so it has generated and content, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this into my document or WordPress, and I'm going to, rewrite the example, because this might show you some percentage of the AI influence is removed, but it is not 100% accurate. Sometimes there are some sentences, it will catch. As usual, Google will catch the AI influence, okay? But because it generally, took maybe the paraphrasing sentence from another article, but you need to make sure that you want to take it to the document and revise it and, rewrite it, okay? Now, this AI, what people gonna do is, copy paste, but does not what you want to do. You want to take this and retransform it. Think of it like you're replicating the same video of someone, but you cannot post the same video, right? You want to revise it in such a way that you're transforming the whole content to your own original content, okay? So keeping in mind, you definitely should use AI to write all of your content. When I say all of the content, yes, all of the content. But when it comes to posting, you need to revise it, you need to transform in such a way that you have written the factual content and you revisited the entire article and made it more relevant to the user intent, okay? So all Google cares about is fulfilling the user intent. So if the AI cannot fulfill the user intent, then you should, okay? So which is why it is worth noting that whatever AI you use, doesn't matter Claude, ChatGPT, or Meta AI or DeepSeek, you should revise and transform the whole content to your own writing. So I want to introduce you to Blog Profit. This is a free community, so you can join by clicking here, and the link will be in the descriptions. So this is a free for lifetime. You will get access to Blog Profit system and future courses, one-on-one coaching calls, live free webinar events, and access to the community where every other blogger is growing. So you can join this. With that being said, catch you on the next one.